The lady finger has been horizontally cut properly. Now I will weight it on this balance which has already been set to 0 according to the weight of the utensil. There are 277 grams. Weight helps us to add sufficient amount of spices. Otherwise, onions and ginger or garlic can be added approximately. But even then, I will weight the onions, garlic, and ginger. The combined weight is 400 grams. Weight of the utensil is 195 grams. It means 205 grams of condiments are being added. So I am adding the spices. 1, 2, 3, 3.25, 1, 2, 2.5 small teaspoons of red pepper, 2 small teaspoons of turmeric, 1.5 coriander, mixed spices or garam masala, about 2 small teaspoons. Now I will try to mix the vegetables so that spices can be homogeneously penetrated deep inside the lady fingers. Before placing it on this paper plate meant for the air fryer, I will add the refined oil afterwards. Since the weight of the vegetable is more than 500 grams, it is better to place the paper plate inside this chamber. All of the vegetables have been added. Then wash the hands so that colored spices should not place any mark on the handle. Since paper plate is being used, it is better to scatter the whole vegetables evenly so that any portion of the side iron sheet should not touch the vegetable. Even if it is coated, any kind of chemical can be discharged. I have tested several times. There is no harm in adding refined oil, especially when you are using paper plate. we have to be very cautious about temperature and time settings. That's why I will test for 8 minutes. At 150 degrees Celsius, 8 minutes have been elapsed. Let's try to check the vegetable before further following the procedure. Since tomatoes are not used, it is better to mix the vegetable at least once. I think we can increase the temperature and then continue for 4 minutes. So at 180 degrees Celsius, 4 minutes will be cooked. So at 180 degrees Celsius, 4 minutes have been elapsed. You can see that is the benefit of being cautious and experimental. It is better to taste the vegetable before increasing to 200 degrees Celsius or 6 minutes. I think finally it should be cooked for 4 minutes and there is no need to increase the temperature. So at 150 degrees Celsius it was cooked for 8 minutes. Then for 8 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Again I will taste. But still I will cook for 2 minutes. At 200 degrees Celsius. Thanks a lot for watching recipe video of ladyfinger in the air fryer. Learning is a continuous process. If you are watching my videos regularly, you too will finally able to fetch the exact and most tasteful method of cooking